Hi everyone, we are going to make beautiful flower designs from basics. First we are going to untangle these threads together and put wires on the top of it. Now we are going to cut all of them and make small pieces. Furthermore, we are going to cut the extra thread like this and you will get this beautiful design at the end. Cut them and we are going to make the petals here. So bend all of them and combine like we are doing here. Put more flowers on the stick like this and cover it using floral tape. You can also add leaves after and look at the beautiful flower stick, how pretty this is looking. You can use it for home decoration. We're going to entangle this thread like this, comb it. Now put small wires at the center and cut all of them and make a small piece like this. Now we are going to roll them like this. We are going to make the fur out of it. Cut the extra part like we are doing here using scissors. We need this small portion. Now we are going to combine all of them together and make the petals of the flower. Bend them like we are doing here and look, it's ready. You can add more petals one after another and you will get this beautiful flower at the end. Look at this beautiful flower stick. You can add leaves using floral tape. Use them for home decorations. We're going to make flowers from the basics, so you need these type of yarn threads and untangle all of them like we're doing here. After this you can also comb them and make a street like this. Now we are putting these small wires. You can adjust the shapes according to the size like we're doing. Now cut all of them like this. Now we are going to make fur out of it, so we are going to roll them like this. Roll them further and cut the extra part using scissors. We need this small portion for flower making. Cut the extra wire using scissors and put all of them together like this. Bend them like we are doing here and make the flower petals. Look how pretty these are looking. Combine all of them together one after another. Hold it and you can also cover them using floral tape like this. You can make beautiful flowers out of it and look at the flowers. You can also make leaves by similar method and look at the beautiful flower stick. How pretty these are looking. These can be used in so many ways like hair clips and for flower vase decoration, and look, it's done. Let's make colorful flowers using yarn. We are going to use these green and red color of threads, untangle them, comb them, and we are putting these wires. Adjust the size, cut small pieces using scissors. Now we are going to make the fur. So we are going to roll it like this. Roll it over and over again and cut the extra part using scissors like this. We are going to make flowers using the red one and later we are making the leaves using the green one. Now cut all of them and paste them together using floral tape and look at the flowers, how pretty these are looking. You can make more such flowers for home decorations and look, it's done. Thank you so much for watching this video.